Hi everyone, my name is Matt Soucoup and welcome to my course, Developing Mobile Applications Protected by Azure Active Directory. I'm a principal at CodeMill Technologies and I've been building mobile apps ever since there was an app store. And ever since then, one thing hasn't changed. Authentication is essential to mobile applications. Your users need to be able to sign in and access protected resources in a secure way for mobile apps. Azure Active Directory gives you incredible versatility in creating identity-enabled mobile applications. In this course, we are going to learn how to set up Azure Active Directory to support mobile apps and all the constituent parts that support it. Sign in and authenticate to custom web APIs that you or your developers may have built to retrieve protected data. Grasp the fundamentals of Microsoft Graph and learn how to get your mobile app to query and use this powerful framework, and how to create native logins so you can create pixel-perfect sign-in screens. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to build identity-enabled mobile applications with Azure Active Directory. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of Azure Active Directory and mobile development. We'll be using Xamarin, but the concepts are broad and will apply to all frameworks. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to develop mobile apps integrated with identity with the Developing Mobile Applications Protected by Azure Active Directory course at Pluralsight.